Love with you, every moment just me and you.
Hi Philnaps! So right now, I'm preparing for dinner. Our recipe for the day is Bistek Tagalog. Try kong magluto ng Bistek Tagalog. Let's see how it will turn out. Let's go! 500 grams of stir-fry beef, 1 whole piece of red onion sliced into rings, 4 to 5 tablespoons of soy sauce, fresh lemon, black pepper powder, garlic powder, sugar. So first, we will marinate the beef. Oh, sorry. Next, we'll squeeze the lemon. Next is the soy sauce. We need to soak the beef into the soy sauce. Next is garlic powder. I'm gonna use some spoon. I think this much is okay because I love garlic. Next is pepper. Then let's mix it properly. I think that's enough. So we'll keep the marinade for like 30 minutes. Okay, that's it. Ta-da! Marination is done. Now it's time for cooking. First, we need to make sure that the pan is hot. Next, we'll put some oil. Now our oil is hot. Next thing to do is I'm just going to fry this red onions just a bit kasi ipang toppings natin to dun mamaya sa steak natin. Now this is good. We need to transfer it in a plate. Next, with the same oil, we will stir fry the beef. Should be a little bit dry, so I remove some of the sauce para ma-fry natin siya ng konti. Let's keep it like that for now. Let's just mix it properly. Ayan. Ito Philnaps optional lang. Kung gusto niyo ng maanghang, lagyan niyo siya ng chili powder. Ako lalagyan ko ng chili powder. Just a bit, because I wanna a little bit spicy. Pero kung hindi nyo bet ang spicy, much better, wag nyo nang lagyan. So our next step, let's pour the sauce. The sauce of the marination a while ago. Let's put it on high heat so that it will boil. Now we'll just wait. Sometimes it's so chewy, so let's cook it a little bit. Now the sauce was reduced. So, ayan, yan ang consistency gusto ko. So, let's put it on low heat. Yan, ang sarap Philnaps. Natatakam na ako. Can't wait to eat. So, just to balance the taste, I'm just going to put a little bit of sugar. 1 teaspoon. Or a little bit more. Just stir it nicely. Yummy! Tapos ang secret ingredient natin is konting seasoning. Favorite ko maglagay ng seasoning sa niluluto kasi masyadong malasa. Just mix it. So maya-maya maluluto na siya. konti na lang, luto na to. Lagyan natin sa medium heat. Okay, last but not the least, we'll put now our red onions. Just stir them nicely. And voila! Bistek Tagalog is ready. Luto na siya. Taran! So, Philips, here we are. Ready na ang ating dinner for tonight. It's tasting time. Big spoon. First bite. Sarap. Para siyang naging tapsilog. Sobrang tasty. Subuan ko ba kayo? Gusto niyo? Say, Ako nakakain para sa inyo. Ang sarap. How I wish pwede rin siyang kainin ng asawa ko. Kaso beef kasi siya. Hindi kumakain yung asawa ko ng beef. So ako lang maubos nito. So Philneps, maybe next time, just comment down below if what kind of recipe should I cook next time. Because I'm not really a professional chef, so I don't have any idea. So probably next time, much better if you will comment down below and suggest some recipes to me. Uubusin ko na to, Philneps. Thank you for watching my cooking video today. Aantayin ko yung mga comments nyo kung anong gusto nyong lutuin ko next time. So, thank you so much! Last bite for today. Tonight. Last bite for tonight.
Every moment just me and you.